Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. And today I just want to show you guys my water fountains and pond, etc. Just for fun. I don't know, I'm bored and I enjoy seeing other people's fountains, so I figured I'd just show mine. So as you step out the front door here, the first thing you'll see is my pond. Now over the years, I've done a lot of stuff with this pond. And one thing, our Halloween inflatables are up, so please don't mind those. Our Halloween inflatables are up, so please don't mind those. You know, they got all the stuff. But basically, I've got a total pond filter kit in there, which is going up to this bubble fountain. Mushroom, I think they call it a mushroom. And that goes to this little, it's like a mermaid type thing. And water comes out of its head. See right there. Okay. And then I've got my kind of off-brand pump for in there, and that leads to this total pond. I think it's a total pond. I don't know which company, but it's a spillway bowl that's covered up by these rocks. Everything's coming to here, and then that's going all the way over there. So something you guys should know is that all my fountains are controlled by a dual plug. I think it's a Casa. I know it's Casa. I think it's a KP400. Not sure. But yeah. So there's the pond. Now if we walk down our driveway, you'll come to this little rock fountain. I don't think I've ever showed this one, or if I have, it's been a while. But basically I got this rock off Etsy from Christmas a few years ago. And then I think it looks really good, quite frankly. It's one of my favorites. But it's got, what is it, 5-gallon bucket? Or, no, like more like a 1-gallon bucket, actually, underneath, dug into the ground. And then seashells, and like a really small total pond. Or, not the other company, but it's a Home Depot or Lowe's, I forget. I think it's a Home Depot pump. It's probably total pond. Alright, and then that guy's cable is run through to the pond over there. So now, if you head into our backyard, passing the pond, going into the cat, these guys, this is our backyard. Speed this up. So here you come into our backyard. Like a forest back there. It's pretty big. So here, this is our oldest fountain, our first ever fountain. It's really young. We got it from Lamps Plus, but I don't know exactly. Maybe it's an Alpine Corporation. Alpine, I don't know. But we use only distilled water in it because it gets very dirty, very algae-y very quickly. And yeah, it's pretty nice. It came with a pump that had lights to go into these two top tiers. Or these 1, 2, not the top one. But that pump broke. This is our, what is it, second or third pump. But we've had this thing for at least like 7 years, so I think it's held up very well. It's only faded color. But other than that, great fountain. Served us well. Yeah, I think it makes a really nice sound. The only thing that I did have to do is I put a rock in there on the, on top of the hole, because it has like turbulence and then it spills out where it shouldn't, and then it goes down the side. So I put a rock on it to calm that, and then one other thing behind our table, and it's I think the KP400, the Casa. One wire is going into the front yard, the other is here in the back. Okay, and you'll see, we follow this wire all the way around, you'll find this guy. This is my latest DIY fountain. I mean, obviously some of the things were store-bought, but I put it together myself. And yeah, so it's basically got the pump in there, tubing going to a spitting total pond turtle, and then it's It's got this slab right here to prevent splashing, so the water kind of goes onto this slab. It's also got a slab right there. You'll notice it has another pump in here because I need to get another splitter for here. But that pump is just here to circulate because obviously not a lot of circulation. I'm not using distilled water, so I'm worried it'll grow algae pretty fast. But I made it about 2 weeks ago, so it's doing pretty well for what I designed it for. And yeah, guys, those are just 2 little pumps from Total Pond, or I still can't remember the name of the other company. It's not Smart Pond, different one. And yeah, so I'll end the video off in the front yard. Comment any questions, concerns, comments you guys might have. Yeah. One thing you should also note about the pond, sorry I'm going back and forth, but we still have fountain lights, pond lights. They were just no name, kind of from Amazon. Had a little remote control box right here. Went to a remote inside, but those broke. Since these are around water, the prongs for the outlet got really rusted and kind of just failed. They got brittle, and they just wouldn't turn on anymore. They had 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But yeah, so I'm planning on getting some more, so I'll make another video when I get some more. So yeah, guys, that's it. Questions in the comments if you have them. And yeah, see you guys in the next video.